Hello and welcome. In today's video, I will show you how to adjust the Crossfade feature on the Spotify mobile app. Crossfade allows smooth transitions between songs, enhancing your listening experience. Whether you want a quick fade or a longer blend, follow these easy steps to customize it. First, open the Spotify app on your mobile device. Next, tap on your profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. Then scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. After that, find and tap on the playback option. Now, locate the crossfade setting. Finally, adjust the crossfade time by sliding the bar to the duration you want. This setting lets you control how long one song fades into the next, creating seamless music flow. To sum up, adjusting crossfade in Spotify is simple and quick, giving you more control over your music experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.